That is gorgeous here.
We're in explorer mode this morning. We're Haley and Jake, and we're road tripping through Mexico in our van. We've driven over 10,000 kilometers, and our journey has taken us to many unique places. Recently, we've been trying to escape the Mexican summer heat, and today we're going further off the beaten track, high into the Sierra Gorda Mountains, where we find ourselves camping on a Mexican homestead. Subscribe to join us. Good morning! Since our last episode, we have jumped borders. We are in a new state called Querétaro. We took a beautiful mountain drive through the Sierra Gorda Biosphere Reserve to get to our first Pueblo Mágico in Querétaro, which is Jalpan. We're just about to leave. We are going to do a quick drive-by past the main square, so we'll give you a quick peek of what the main square looks like. It's got a really beautiful church.
Look at that view.
We can see the clouds! Our elevation is climbing quite quickly. We're in explorer mode this morning. We just saw a sign for a waterfall, so we've taken a little side route off the main highway and we're gonna go check out this waterfall. I was reading last night that the Sierra Gorda is one of the most biologically diverse areas in Mexico because the mountain range is over such a large area and the elevation change is so drastic that you get lots of little microclimates. So there's lots of areas for little ecosystems. So it's a very much protected area here and it is beautiful. Squeeze on through here, don't mind us.
Oh, 4 signs. It's also painted on the bottom of the bridge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signs. This is the way to the waterfalls. Oh my goodness! Oh, that was a big pig. Little pigs, big pigs. There's a big pig. Oh my gosh, there's so many pigs. This looks like it's been a little bit commercialized. The waterfall was a little bit of a bust. We were hoping it wasn't a big commercialized thing, but it is, and we're just sort of looking for a spot to stop and have breakfast. But luckily, just down the street, we found this little pullover next to a little creek, and it's perfect for breakfast. How you doing now?
Being attacked.
By the fridge. And Finley's hiding from the sound of squealing pigs. Hey bud, look at all the butterflies. What'd you just get?
A barbecue meat gordita. I expected a sweet gordita because that's all we've seen before, and this is a savory one, so we're interested in trying it. So it looks like stewed beef with a corn gordita.
Cool. The views on this drive are incredible.
So we stocked up on groceries, and now we're seeing if we can find another spot to camp up here that we read about on Iova.
We just arrived to our new camp spot. It is so beautiful up here. We just met our camp hosts and they gave us such a warm welcome. They made us a cup of coffee, let us sit on their porch, and they let us try some of their fresh bread and marmalade that's made here. And we're also parked right next to some sheep. What are those, Finley? El Eden is a family-run homestead that welcomes campers onto their property. Our hosts, Conchita and Furman, showed us around and invited us into their home. We tried freshly picked fruit from the garden
Durazno.
and shared many delicious home-cooked meals.
No pasa nada, no pasa nada.
Watch your legs, watch your legs.
We felt like we were part of the family. Hello. We had so much fun here. We stayed for 4 nights.
Tell everyone the big news.
The first time that I can remember, in a long time at any rate, none of our fans are on, all of our windows are closed, and our heater's not on. We are at a nice normal temperature.
There it is. The fan that's set to auto, and it's not running. We're up early this morning to go on a 3-hour guided hike through the property that is going to lead to a lookout. Our guide, Noah, is a certified forest therapy guide and plans to create an interpretive trail to help others learn about the forest. He introduced us to the local plants in the area and also taught us many new Spanish words, which we very much appreciated.
Gracias.
Árbol. Ajá.
The tree, árbol.
Ajá. La comunidad de árboles pues, es el bosque.
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 Bosque, arbol, arboritos,
Arbolito.
bosque, eno, lichen.
Ajá.
Yay! This is beautiful.
Wow.
Good morning. So we're just making our morning coffee here and we're about to open the new bag of coffee that we got from Hilitla, and I wanted to show you it because it came in this little bag that has been sewn shut, and we have never bought coffee in this way before, and it looks kind of cool. I'm just taking the stitching apart to try and get into the coffee. This is Loa. She's joining us for our morning coffee. She works here at the farm. Hello.
It's okay.
She's a little timid,
Finley?
and Finley really wants to come out and play.
No.
Nobody.
Hola.
We've really enjoyed the last couple days staying here at El Eden. It has been a nice break from the heat. The weather during the day is nice and sunny. It's not too hot and it's not humid. And then in the evenings, the temperature drops where it's a little bit cooler in the evening. So we're getting a really good sleep up here. And we just really love being up in the mountains. It reminds us of being back home in Canada. We're gonna be sad to leave here. Hola.
Hola, hola.
Oh, you're doing the roll method. So we're just getting ready to leave El Eden, and we just said our goodbyes, and they gave us a little goodie bag to go. We have some homemade ice cream and kefir, which we're really excited to try both of them. It was so nice.
That is gorgeous. The air today is very clear. It's not at all hazy.
If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe And join us next time as we leave the mountains and continue our journey through Mexico.